Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to unbox OnePlus Bullet Wireless C. So without any further delay, let's get started. So starting off with unboxing experience, well, the box looks beautifully packed. We get the big OnePlus branding at the left. On opening the box, we get the earphone at first, and well, they look just like Bullet's Wireless 2. Let's keep the earphone aside and check what accessories we get in the box. On the left we get some user manuals along with USB Type-C, charging cable and some extra ear tips. So the build quality is nice. The driver it has is smaller than Bullet Wireless 2. To pair them with your phone, you just need to detach the magnets. You will get a pop-up on your OnePlus device to pair it. It's that simple. Thanks for watching this video guys. Stay tuned for detailed review, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video.
Center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give in to the pressure. Oh.